So this next video is dry brushing. And you can get a simple brush like this or one that has a handle on it in case you can't reach certain parts of your body. But for this demo, I just took the handle off. So we're gonna have circles around the body on the skin, and we're always move toward the heart. So we start from our legs and move upward. Small circles moving up. So we start with our right leg first. And you just simply try to get as much surface area of the bristles. And of course, you'll be nude for this. And you just kind of do little circles and bring itself up. And then what I like to do is long strokes up. Then to the knee, we circle. And it's not, you shouldn't be bending your bristles. They should be pretty stable and hard. Circles toward. And this whole thing should only be about 2 minutes long. And then also doing long strokes like this. And going up. And then once you get to the hip area, then you switch to your other foot. And depending on how much surface area you have on your skin will depend on how long it takes you. Long strokes. And I'm doing this a little bit faster just to get the demo done. Then I start on my right hand, going up. And there's a lot of lymph here. But never in the breast area do you want to do your brushing. Stay away from that, as any tender spots of your body or any swelling, any open cuts, do not do any brushing. And that's it. I do not do the face area. There's another video to do a lymphatic massage on your face area, but you can just always end by just doing this on your face. Touching your skin is just so important, and it feels really good. That is dry brushing. Thank you.